Hello everyone, thanks for joining. It's May 29th, 2023, Memorial Day. I know it's been a while since I've done a garden video, so I'm going to do a little update. Try to make this quick. A lot of changes in the past couple of years. We put in this new, very low bed, and this is meant to be like a native bed. But it's also got some non-native flowers in there too, like sunflowers and poppies. And of course these are alliums, which are not native. But they are getting ready to bloom, which is exciting. And then we're monitoring, there's a lot of weeds in the bed, but hopefully we'll get some of those natives popping up. It takes a while for those to germinate though, so we'll see. This is also a new bed. We are planting a lot of long-term things in here. So on the end, we've got corn, and then we've got cucumbers here, and you can see we've got this wire trellis. Peas, it's a little late for these. We had a sort of a slow spring, so we'll see how those do. Then we've got a little bit of lettuce, we've got beets, and there's some actually leeks there. And acorn squash. I think there's there's another type of squash, I forget. But anyway, that's all in here, and that stuff's all stuff that the critters love to eat. So we got this no-dig fence that Stephanie put together, which has given us some protection, at least from the bigger critters like raccoons and rabbits. The squirrels can still get in. Raspberries, not so good this year. Because the winter was so long and cold, the rabbits ate all of our floricanes. So we don't expect to get really any fruit this year. We'll get a little bit, but very little. That's fine. It's unfortunate, but we'll just grow some nice healthy primo canes, and next year we should have a good crop once again. Over here in what we used to call the big bed, I guess we still call it that, we've got our Brussels sprout plant looking really good. Some straggler lettuce. This will be cut soon. It's pretty much done. And then we've got lots of tomatoes. Trying many new varieties this year, some old favorites though. This is the Saucy Lady, Cherokee Purple, Brandywine. This is called Lillian's Yellow, heirloom tomato. The Abe Lincoln tomato. We got the Green Giant, which is very small right now. This is the Nepal tomato, the Mortgage Lifter, and then finally the Wisconsin 55, which we grew last year. And then there's some chard and some other greens. You can see a lot of these have been chewed on. We just uncovered this on Saturday, so 2 days ago. And the rabbits and squirrels really went to town. But that's okay. We got a lot of harvest already. In the older beds here, the west and east beds, not totally full yet, but we've got Midnight Snack tomato. This is a lima bean. It's the only one has come up so far. This is a white currant tomato. That's new for us. Sorry about the focus. I forget what bean this is. I think it's the cranberry bean, Vermont cranberry. Kangstar pepper. Red ricotta pepper. Dragon shishito. And cayenne pepper. Some lettuce. Some scallions. What is this? I forget what this is. Some brassica. It's doing really well. This is a cauliflower. So we'll see if that makes us any harvestable florets. We got rainbow carrots, cipollini onions. What is this stuff? I can't remember all this. Parsnips. These are parsnips. And then we've got garlic here, which of course are huge because they were planted last fall. Over here we got more garlic, some more carrots. These are red carrots, Kyoto red. Again, I don't know what this brassica is. Pac-Man hybrid broccoli. We got our chives, dill down there. You can see the fronds, parsnips, more carrots. These are the purple carrots. And then a row of peppers here. We got aji rico, Trinidad scorpion, beaver dam, lemon drop. And in the back row, we've got the Mexico midget tomato. We got the sun sugar tomato, which we always grow, Blue Lake pole bean, and then the Jolly hybrid tomato. So a lot of changes since our last video. The garden has expanded. You can see our new bed, we switched to metal because I'm worried about replacing the wood when these rot. But it's been a good season so far. Not perfect, but they never are. But we're happy with our progress and looking forward to getting a lot of new varieties of fruits and vegetables to try this year. That'll do it. Thank you for watching.